it's a great fun time.
Yep. I feel like there should have been a lot of disclaimers before this video that I did not do. Okay. Welcome back, people. So today, if as you can see from the title, I'm not doing anything makeup related. I'm going to be coloring my hair today. So there's nothing makeup related in this video. So if you came to this video looking for makeup, I don't know, you're stupid because clearly you can't read. And today I'm here with my friend
Jordan.
And Jordan is here. Well, actually,
I am here.
Well, Jordan is here because she lives here.
Yep.
I'm here with Jordan because she's gonna be helping me color my hair because I can't do it on my own. Because I know that if I tried this on my own, I would get fed up and frustrated and cry and give up.
You also can't see the back of your head.
Yeah, and I also can't see the back of my head. So she's gonna be handling that while I handle the front. And yeah, so the products I have, I got the Rusk Deep Shine Bright White Powder Lightener. The Sorry, Jordan's cat is very jumpy. The Rusk Deep Shine 40 volume. I got 40 volume. I don't know why, because I just felt like I needed 40 volume. And the shampoo and conditioner I got was the Shimmer shampoo, blonde and silver, and the shiny silver ultra color enhancing conditioner. There's a cat on my lap.
His name is Itty. That's
Okay.
the other guest for the budget.
So yeah, so this is aftercare. What we're gonna be focusing on now is the bleaching. So we're gonna start mixing. Okay, so sectioning into 4. Oh, also
Changing
my hair. My hair is very dirty. I didn't wash my hair in a couple of days. So I didn't add any coconut oil or anything like people usually do before they color. Because I don't think I need it. Because my hair is just literally that oily right now. Is that hot? Yes. Okay. One section down.
This doesn't look like anything because it's black.
Yeah, well, yeah. Cool. So now we have 4 sections. I almost had 4 t-shirts.
Do we though? Do we have 4 t-shirts?
No, we don't. And that's the end of this tutorial. This is the final look.
Oh my god, the back looks really great.
You can wear this to any EDM concert ever. And that's it. So the ratio for this is 1 to 2. So it's 1 scoop of this, 2 scoops of developer.
Watch out.
Always go to a professional when bleaching your hair. Don't try to do it at home.
That's not necessary. I've always done my own hair. Shut up.
I mean, listen. For anyone that doesn't know and is watching this video right now, I'm psychic. And Itty, Jordan's cat, was about to take a poop. And I was like, Jordan, oh my god, what if he stoops down to poop, but his butt is out of the litter box and over the tile? And she was like, he wouldn't do that. He's never done that before. And I look over at him and he's doing it. He is literally pooping on the tile right after I said he would. So I'm psychic. I don't know how many of this I put. I'm just gonna put another one just because.
It smells really nice.
Yeah, usually these smell like gross.
Disgusting, and it hurts. It hurts to breathe when you usually mix this.
I don't know. For me, the pain is always emotional when I'm dyeing my hair. So okay, so I'm gonna start with this side. You saw my last side. Yeah, I think that'll work best. Will it?
I don't know.
Also, we're leaving the roots out.
Okay, so how
So we'll go back into the roots after. Oh fuck, we didn't put on gloves, Jordan.
Oh my god.
Okay, take 2, put your gloves on.
Yep, that's why you need to go to a professional. You were right, I take it back.
Put your gloves on.
How much did I put? It's happening! What's happening, guys? Okay, that's too much. Hey, I don't want to use it. Well, then don't use it. Because this is like making it a million times more difficult. Fuck this foil. Fuck you, foil. Just make sure it's like even the whole way through so we don't get any bands. Well, bands do in fact not make her dance, guys. Bands make for ugly hairstyle. Why do you keep rhyming? That didn't rhyme. You said guys and then styles. That doesn't rhyme. I'm stupid. Guys and styles? I'm stupid, guys. Oh, we may have mixed like too much bleach. Bitch, what did I tell you? I'm thinking. I've never done this on my own hair, by the way. I have only done this on my own hair, so I'm scared to whatsoever. Not even like a box dye on my own hair. The first time I did a box dye was when I had cold hair. I did a box dye once, but I had somebody else help me do it, so. But I think my mom did it for me. I'm finally getting to like some. I'm now beginning to feel a little bit successful. I don't understand how people do this by themselves. Today's my brother's birthday. Happy birthday, brother. He's 28. He's getting old. Listen, I'm gonna be there next year. 28? Okay, let me get to you. What? Oh, wait. You keep forgetting. I'm a little bit older than you. I forgot we're in 2020. Oh, yeah. I forgot we just started a year. Yeah. I was like, what? That makes no sense. It just might take a little bit longer because, well, your really hair very black. My hair is very black. Yeah, this side is like brown right now. Okay. Oh, yeah. It's taking its time. I actually like that brown. Let's stop it. Stop it. Stop. Stop bleaching my hair right now, bleach. I swear to God. If you don't listen, I'm gonna like cry. And this is how you use foil. I have done that. What is this? That is true. But she has long legs, so it makes sense. I feel like I job. I can't see. Oh no! Job. No, like you have to curl down now. I love that for you. This is your look. Here's my 20 look. I think this is it. I think we can stop bleaching and just use this. That's it. Yay! And that's it. And now we go back in. It's Foster the People. Get out of my sink. I love that song. Foster the People, get out of my sink. Sit in there. They just slapped me straight in my eye. I don't even do squats anymore. I did it for like a week and that was it. Hey boy, hey, get up. I love you. Please back away slowly. Please don't fall off the table. But like you need to get off. Like I can't do this. Okay.
Hi guys, welcome back. So it is day 2 now. I know I look like trash because I'm gonna do my final bleaching, which is the 3rd bleaching that I'm doing. I did 2 last time with Jordan and this is the last one. I have my gross bleaching t-shirt on again and my hair is doing pretty good actually. It looks a lot darker than it actually is right now because I drenched it in coconut oil. It's still very yellow, but that's what this last bleach is gonna be for. I'm hoping at the end of this bleach I can get it to a level 10 and hopefully my purple shampoo and the purple semi-permanent color that I have will help and take out any of the extra yellow. I'm not gonna film this part because it's the exact same thing that Jordan and I did before. I will just update you guys after. So I put the coconut oil in my hair. I'm gonna do my bleach now. The exact same process as before. I'm gonna actually, oh no, actually I'm doing it different this time because I'm starting at the bottom here. So I'm starting at the nape of my neck this time because a lot of the hair in the back didn't get time to process because we did that last in the last bleach. So I'm gonna start at the nape of my neck and then I'm gonna work my way up, and I'm not doing these parts at the front here because they bleached really well. I don't know if you could see it like on camera right now, but when it's totally dry the front hair is like completely white, so I'm just gonna try to avoid that part so it doesn't break off. So I bleach and shampoo, I'm gonna let it air dry and then I'm gonna go in with my semi-permanent lilac color. This is the color, it's Joico Color Intensity Semi-Permanent Lilac. I don't know if this will show up because of the lighting, I don't know, but yeah, it's a semi-permanent color and I'm just gonna use it. I couldn't get toner. I mean, I could have gotten toner, but I couldn't get the 5 volume developer that I needed, so I said I would just try a semi-permanent color and see if that does the same thing. So hopefully next time you guys see me, I'm gonna be looking a little more presentable with my hair finished and maybe a little bit of makeup on and not this gross bleached out old t-shirt. So I will see you guys then.